say it over and over and over again.
Illegal immigrant. Next. Hello, it's your pilot speaking. I am what?
Knitting. A parachute. I am not landing in Luton. Seriously, have you seen it?
I'm on the plane.
No,
I'm on the piss.
no. I'm about to go unconscious,
Oh.
as I am. And finally, please address knitting inquiries to what?
To Mr. Knit of Knit Towers, Knittingham.
Is it the knitting ombudsman?